Okay, here's a demo of why we prefer Dells over Sonys. In a simple hard drive removal, it took us 2 screwdrivers and removing 30 screws and the keyboard and all of these brackets just to get this hard drive out from the inside of this laptop. It took the tech about half an hour, maybe a little more. You come over here and see this Dell. Those are 2 screws right there. Slide this hard drive out, and if you want to be fair, we could remove these 2 little screws on the side to get the hard drive completely off, but it took about 5 seconds to do that. So there you have it, your choice, a Sony or a Dell.